Number one expectation: get rich quick or make quick money. That is one expectation most people expect to get into the online working, to make quick money, to get rich quick. The reality is there is no making money quickly, as it takes time to gain a skill, to learn, and to apply it. It requires consistency and commitment. Expectation number two: online work is easy. Reality: online work is very hard. It's not easy. It's not easy, I say again. It's not easy. Have that in mind. It's hard. It's gonna take your time. It's another expectation: I don't need a skill to work online. Reality: you need a skill, a specific skill, a particular skill to work in this space. Number four: I will be making consistency income all through. Reality: there are good days and bad days. Some days you'll be making much money, others no money, others nothing. There'll be failures and rejections. Expectation number five: I will be free. I can work anytime I want. Reality: some jobs will have deadlines. Some clients will have deadlines. Some will need you to work specific time. So it's good, before getting into it, be conversant with the reality of online working. It needs hard working, patience, consistency. It is very good, but it's not as easy as you think. I keep saying this and I will keep on saying this, but it's doable, especially if you're passionate about getting into it. Let me know in the comment section, what expectation did you have and which reality did you face? Or what expectation do you have currently about online working? Like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.